If you're experiencing issues with installing or accessing multiplayer in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Baldur's Gate 3 installed. Open your game client, Steam, GOG, etc. and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. Use the game client to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them automatically. In Steam, right-click the game in your library, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 4. Check network settings. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking the game. You may need to add Baldur's Gate 3 to the exceptions list of your firewall or antivirus. Step 5. Join or create a multiplayer session. Launch the game and navigate to the multiplayer section. You can either join an existing game or create a new session. Make sure to invite your friends or share the session code if needed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the multiplayer issues in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the game's official support for further assistance.